Mr. Speaker, I now move to another vexed question, I think called the Joint Industrial Council. The Speaker knows about it because when he was a young radical trade unionist, he was part himself and Lasperi and Michael Manley and Hugh Shearer and Errol Anderson and Cliff Stone. They all helped to set up the JIC, Joint Industrial Council. For some of you might not know what it means. It is an agreement that was reached with the Master Builders Association to govern the construction industry. And that construction workers, because a temporary job, construction lasts for 9 months or 12 months and it finished. And that the JIC would be what binds them and support those workers in Nain, in Jamalco. And you know what I'm talking about, Mr. Speaker. You were there. You were there. Mr. Speaker, it is a shame that large construction companies, including foreign companies, can come to Jamaica and operate and refuse to pay the GIC rate and get up and talk about they're not a member of the Master Builders Association. On government contract, that they are not a member of the Master Builders Association. This is a shame. Their workers are out there and the Ministry of Labour remains inactive in enforcing this agreement. Let me state categorically to all construction workers and companies that a future PNP administration will put the JIC rate into law. Into law. As a matter of fact, we might move a private member's motion soon. We'll move a private member's motion. But if it is God's will and the people's decision, when the PNP is returned, we will make the JIC the law of Jamaica.